welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be replacing this leaf spring, upgrading to a brand new composite fiberglass one. Let's see here, that one right there. We're also going to do a weight comparison between the old spring and the new spring, so that way you guys know how much weight savings you can get off of one of these composite springs. Well, let's get right into it. As you can see, we're at about 19 pounds on this one, and I would say about 47 pounds. Took the vet on a little test drive, testing out this spring. I want to say that 360 spring is a little softer than the metal spring I was running. It feels either that or it eats the bumps a little bit better. I'm not entirely sure, got to get it on the track, got to see how it squats, but it feels like it moves a little bit more, which isn't a particularly bad thing as long as I can stiffen it up. I do have the hanger bolts at the lowest possible setting, so I can stiffen it up a lot. They have about 3 inches. I can crank them down. We'll see how much it moves out on the track. We'll see if I want to do anything more to it, but so far I seem to like where it's at. Well, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, hit that like button. And if you have any comments, suggestions, or whatevers, leave them down in the comments. I'm pretty active down there. And as always, we'll catch you on the next one.